All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today's the last day of 2021. Happy New Year's to everybody. Cryptocurrency became mainstream in 2021. This last year was the year crypto became mainstream. Get ready to look forward to more good stuff in 2022. Today we're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be going over where the price it's at, going to the website, doing a little deep dive, and then we're also going to go over to the Metaverse, talking about this evening. If you're not at New York City in Times Square watching the ball drop and stuff like that, you can go on with the Metaverse and you can actually go to Times Square and be part of the celebration, dance around, get a drink, the whole 9 yards. We got that going on with the Metaverse going on this evening. So all kinds of good stuff going on. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hey, before we go over to Solana, do me a favor in the bottom. What was your favorite cryptocurrency in the year 2021? Did you get Dogecoin? Did you get Dogecoin Mars? Was it Polkadot? Was it Shiba Inu? Was it Dogecoin? What was your favorite coin in 2021? Leave your comments in the bottom. All right, everybody, let's head over to Solana cryptocurrency. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Take a look. Solana is number 5 right now. There's buy. There's a buy next to it. This token is down almost 11% in the last 7 days. It's up 0.5% in 24 hours, but 10% down in the last 7 days, 10, 11%. Discount buy. El Salvador would be swooping in right now. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, number 5, Solana. Again, over here to the right, it says it's up about 0.87%, a little over 0.75%. This token is being traded for $175.56. All right, taking a look here in the last 7 days here. In the last 7 days, coin was actually up at $200. So 203. So this coin was up, and it's been doing the downward spiral. 203. So if it's at 175 right now take a look how it went up here. If you were looking at this chart, you were like, oh my God, Solana is just jumping off the chart. Look at how high it's going. Yeah, it's going real high, but then go ahead and click above here to 7, and then you're like, ooh, not so much. Frank's Crypto Corner. So again, when you're using your charts, make sure you look at your 1 day, your 7 day, even go back to 1 month. Here's your 1 month. Look at where this coin was at a month ago, $230. When we do our price prediction at the end of the video, we're going to come back to this. But going back to the 7 day, it's been going down, and it's bouncing back up. All right, over here at Solana's website. Powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Start building. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. Transactions per second, over 2,000. Take a look at that. Average cost per transaction, so this would be a penny point. So there's 3 zeros and a quarter, but it's not a quarter. It's 3 zeros, 0.25. So very inexpensive for transactions, very cost effective to use Solana, everybody. Join the fastest growing ecosystem. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world. Did you hear that? Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto with over 400 projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and more. Explore the ecosystem. So when you click Explore, it says discover the hottest projects on Solana. Phantom's on Solana, Audius is on Solana, the trending projects for the month, DeFi Land, Change Crunch. I mean, you got all these things that are trending. Here's your top DeFi projects over here. Mango, Cyber, take a look at this. You got your top DeFi projects. Then your top lending protocols. Jet Protocol. I mean, take a look at all these. Apricot Finance. Top NFT markets. I mean, Solana's got a lot, everybody. So we got a lot of NFTs. Let's go ahead and click one of these. So you click it, and it says the first open NFT market on Solana. And it kind of gives us a little bit more about it. Top Web3 apps. Audius, Squads. I mean, you got everything here. DeFi projects. So again, Solana's got it going on. Get more out of Solana, everybody. I'm over here at the Twitter account. I got a 3-minute video here. We're gonna work this in at the end of the video. So over here it says, let's start the celebration. As Solana ecosystem marks the close of 2021, it's a great time to look back and see how far we've come. We'll come back at the end of this, after our price prediction, and we'll play this. Because I think it's pretty good and stuff like that. So we'll come back to that. So Solana cryptocurrency, definitely a good one to be looking into. A lot of good stuff, saying it's the fastest one out there. Now we're going to talk about the ball dropping. So yep, tonight everybody's going to be watching the TV out somewhere. Some people will be in New York. The ball will be dropping at Times Square. Now some people may have not been able to make it to Times Square. Well, the Metaverse is making it possible that you can go to Times Square tonight. Let's check it out. All right, here, digital currency group, Jamestown partners to bring one Times Square to Decentraland in the Metaverse. So here we go. We got New York right here. We got the ball up here. It's coming down, 2022. You're walking into the Metaverse. So what does this say? The new virtual space will launch on the New Year's Eve day, MetaFest 2022 Global Party. Virtual build to be the first high-rise development in Decentraland. So it's the first high-rise. It says Jamestown today will announce a joint partnership to recreate a one-time square in Decentraland, the leading Decentraland virtual world. It says DCG is one of the largest owners of digital real estate. Jamestown is the owner of One Times Square, which is the site of the New Year's Eve ball dropping celebration. So today's New Year's Eve ball dropping celebration, you can check it out. It says right here, the Metaverse is quickly evolving to bring together the most interesting and alluring parts of our favorite physical world around the world, such as gaming, education, retail, and more. We can expect the Metaverse to revolutionize the current online experience. It says, leading the Metaverse development to grow your base on Metaverse Studios, we're engaged construction to operate the virtual one-time square in Decentraland. It is the first high-rise building in Decentraland, includes the recreation and physical assets, digital signage of the New York Eve ball dropping. In addition to one-time square building, the building area will span approximately 170 land parcels, including 5 buildings, each with district interior and exterior things to check out. All right, everybody. You know, it says Decentraland has attracted celebrities such as Paris Hilton to headline in the virtual festival in 2021. Decentraland saw a 15x increase in the daily activity of users. So 15x up, everybody. Metaverse 2022 is the latest chapter in a long history of New Year's Eve celebrations focused on Times Square. So the question is, are you going to Times Square tonight in the Metaverse? Yeah, everybody, the Metaverse, you can go to Times Square. Think about this. Imagine if there's a place in the world that you wanted to go, and when it's on the Metaverse, like Times Square is on there now, pretty soon the Bahamas could be on there, pretty soon Alaska could be on there, pretty soon Germany could be on there. All the places in the world, outer space could be on there, the inner world could be on there, all kinds of stuff could be on there. So going on the Metaverse, wearing the goggles and stuff could be a pretty cool thing. Hey, do me a favor, drop your notes, drop some lines below and tell me if you're going to do that tonight. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Solana, everybody. I know this is going to be about 2 minutes long, 2.5 minutes long, but I think it's totally worth it. We're going to put this in on our video because Solana is kicking. Here we go. Price prediction after this. Here you go. I'll do our price prediction right now. I believe this coin's going to get to over $200. It was way over $200 before. It's at $175. Our prediction is going to get to over 200, 205. All our information is for educational purposes only. Let's watch this and see what you think.
Switch to Solana. I mean, I heard if I put you on, that it would kind of blow my mind. I haven't had my mind blown in a long time. You just did it.
Solana Labs. I will remember that.
I think everybody's been talking about the energy across the whole set of events as the beginning of something really special.
Now what I am seeing here, especially within the Solana community, is nothing short of awesome.
We are therefore integrating Solana into Brave as soon as we can.
Everybody, thought that was pretty awesome. I know it was a little lengthy, but I mean, go back and watch that. Stop it. Look at the thing. Write down what it says, all the different things that Solana has hit in 1 year. Freaking fantastic. Already did our price prediction over 200. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. This coin's at $175. Well, Bitcoin's at 48,000, down 6%. Ethereum's at 37. Binance Coin is at 522. Hey everybody, it's New Year's, the last day of the year, 2021. Have a fantastic day. Today's a bonus video. Solana's up. Watch that video again. You can go back and play it and play it and play it. All kinds of good stuff. Hey everybody, we'll see you again next year.